Hello. Today is day one of a 100-day video series that I am starting. And the entire concept, the entire idea of all of this is to make my life better and the lives of the people around me better by fixing the things that bother me. So I'm not doing keyword research or anything. I am looking around my life, my environment, my processes. I'm figuring out what bothers me and I'm fixing it. There's a Japanese word for this. I'll add it in post. Is it poke-oke? Like, that 1% improvement thing. So I got back from vacation and I have this huge pile of laundry. So step one, we're going to deal with that. And then step two, we're going to get rid of all the clothes that don't fit us. And by us, I mean me. And you can come along for the ride and we're just going to blast through this. So I have 2 kids. I live with just me and the kids and the dog and the cat and all the plants outside and all the things we keep adding to the farm. But I need to deal with all this. So ready, set, let's go. I'm going to set a timer and see how long this takes. So ready, set, let's go. Oh, and part of this is inspired by Paul Akers' book, 2-Second Lean. I will put a link to this book down below, where he talks about one of the best methods for improving manufacturing or production is just by fixing the things that bother you. I'm not even able to get into my shop and the areas that I'm working on my production for all the things because I don't have the time, the space, the things to do what I need to do to get done. So what I need to do is follow the process I built that let me get to this point again, which is I need to make time, I need to make space, I need to make do with what I have, I need to make peace with where I'm at and where I'm going, and then I need to make money. And depending on once I get my life under control, I can worry about love. But first, laundry. Okay. Normally I'd put on some gangster rap and handle it. All right. Pillows over here. Comforter is over here. I should have cleared the bed before I added all this stuff. Dryer sheets. I have to run dryer sheets to get the dog fur off the clothes. Okay. This is a big kid. My big kid shirt. All right. We'll put his stuff right there. All right, guys, we're recording in the studio. I'm now covered in dog hair, and I want you to comment below. Do you think Phoenix is going to move or stay there the whole time I put away the laundry? Let's go. All right, big shirt. Gosh, it's so cold today. It's gonna be hot later. Shorts. How about this? Big or what? Helpful? Well, we can get it. Okay. There. Fine. So the problem I have is the laundry right away. It's not all over everything, and it's not fun. What can I do next? All over everything. You want my hat? Oh yeah, styling. You styling? You don't like it? Okay. This is a new shirt. I haven't seen this one yet. Medium. Okay, it's probably littler guys. I do like my Cotopaxi shirts, except the collar got super stretched. I wonder if I dry these on hot, if I can shrink this up here, if I can try and shrink the collars back. I hate organizing socks. Okay, so when I say I hate or I don't like, that's identifying something that bothers me. So I can either, I could donate my socks and then get all the same socks so I don't have to constantly like figure out which socks are going to work and which socks aren't. Also, as far as make time goes, yesterday I made a lot of wild rice and grilled a lot of chicken. So my meals, or at least a good chunk of my meals, are set for a while. Camping stuff. Oh. Okay. Let's see. These are gifts. Should be large. I really like these shorts, but they are too big now. Too big. Too big for me. I do not need clothes that are too big. Sock. Down. All right, gotta go. No. Off. No, get. Wait. Clean up that. What? Oh. Tight. Okay. This is small. Whoa. One. Please. Two. Christ. Oh. Oh. Land. Oh, yeah. We're so sleep. That's not. Long. Oh. Long. On. Just on. Pillow. Yeah. Also. No. Pillow. And feel how still. One. Pillow. Film. Magna. My. Rested. Good. Oh. All right. So I'll check the clock and see how long this actually took to do. But I'm caught up on laundry now. And I fixed one of the things that was bothering me. How does it feel? Pretty good. Actually, it feels pretty good. All right. Next step is my regular scheduled video. Let's do it.